Okay.
What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? Neil Henderson here from Clearview Plastics in Sacramento, California. And today I want to show you something new that we've come up with. And over a long period of time, we've become the go-to guys for enclosing several types of machinery, from 3D printers to laser engravers and many other machines in between. With 3D printers, it's become kind of a evolution of the product set, that some of these printers are getting to be really low cost and also offering some really cool options. And so we developed an enclosure that... Okay, so this is our enclosure for the entry level Creality Hi 3D printer. This would also fit other similarly sized Creality printers, such as the Ender 3 series, the new Creality Spark i7, and then also other printers from other companies like the Bamboo Lab A1, the Anycubic Cobra 3, and the Cobra 4, and then also the Ender 3 V4 that's brand new and coming out as well. So with our enclosure, the entry level starter kit is designed so that you can have a really cool first 3D printer project, and then it's also purposeful because we get to enclose our printer. By enclosing our printer, if you're newer to this, the idea is that we're enclosing it so that basically we get a better print environment. We contain the fumes and smells that are a byproduct of 3D printing. Then we also quiet down the 3D printer as well. So when you order this kit, you're ordering the panels and the hardware, and those come boxed up and flat packed in the kit. And then you're going to be 3D printing the parts for assembly. And so we, of course, offer the STLs for all these parts, and you just have to put them into your slicer. They're very easy to print, no advanced printing going on here. We suggest PETG, but if you have is PLA, that'll work really well too, until you need to print higher temperature parts such as ABS and ASA. That's where printing the parts in PETG is a good idea. So when you actually assemble this, all the holes are pre-drilled, and these panels are actually laser cut to reduce any panel gaps and to make it so that it contains the fumes and smells the best as possible. We actually have a lot of clients that are sensitive to the fumes of even the most innocent filaments like PLA, and they get a scratchy throat, itchy eyes, and it just isn't very pleasant. So with this enclosure, again, you can actually, there is one upgrade that we can do. We can add in a fan and filter. That's the Pro Kit, and I'll give you some idea of what that is right now. So with the Pro Kit add-on, you get a fan that is also filtered with a charcoal impregnated HEPA filter to help reduce some of the fumes and reduce particulate that happen as a byproduct in the 3D printing process. And so we designed these so that you can actually get replacement filters on Amazon. They cost about $4 a piece. Very economical. And so when you get this Pro Kit, then you get this variable speed power supply along with it, and it's just a simple 12-volt barrel plug, so you don't have to be a genius to set it up, and it's actually very quiet. And if you want it to be quieter, you can run it at half speed, and that's just as effective. But it's a very quiet fan that is non-interfering. So another function that we have set up with the entry-level starter kit enclosures is that we wanted this to be functional with your multi-material unit options. And so you can see here we've got the CFS light for our Spark X i7, and this would also work with a variety of other multi-material units from Bamboo, Creality, Anycubic, several brands. And essentially the key pieces, we've got our data cable that just flows right in, and then we've got our 4 Bowden tubes that flow into the print chamber. And there's actually 2 entry points that you could utilize. We've got one on the side, and this side panel can actually be mounted on the left or the right side, whichever works better for your workspace. And then we've also got a filament port up on top here to feed it through the top. Now, one caveat, because this enclosure uses a little bit thinner panels than our standard line of 3D printer enclosures, this cannot is likely not able to be set up here. So with the multi-material units these days, a lot of people wonder about the waste bin, or how the little poops are kind of mitigated. And we offer this as a printable file too. It's just a simple little waste bin that fits off to the side of the printer. And I call this a booger flinger on these bed slinger style ones, where it kind of knocks the booger off to the side, and then it will divert it right back down into the waste bin. Super easy, and really easy install, really easy print. Just takes a few minutes, and totally compatible with that as well. Okay, so that is the entry-level starter kit enclosure for 3D printers. If you're not familiar with Clearview, we actually make all of our enclosures right at our shop here in Sacramento, California. And we actually make enclosures for a wide variety of machinery, from 3D printers to laser engravers, UV printers, and then we've also done a wide variety of custom enclosures for different types of machinery. Could be microscopes, lab equipment, many other things. We actually have our enclosures in a wide variety of institutions, from Fortune 500 companies to some of the top universities in the world, and we've of course shipped these internationally as well. So if you have any other questions or want to learn more about the Clearview enclosures, you can head on over to our website. It's clearviewplastic.com. Plastic is singular. I hope to see you there, guys. Thanks so much.